Hello guys and welcome to DIY Craftopedia. This is Sanatan and in this video we are going to make a bowl out of plaster of Paris. Of course you'll need a packet of plaster of Paris for the work and any old bowl to mix plaster of Paris, a newspaper to cover your workspaces and gloves to ensure that your hands don't get dirty. So first I've added some plaster of Paris powder into my bowl and now slowly I'm going to add water in it. Well, be very careful while adding water. If you add less water, it will be really thick and the shape won't be right. And in case you add a lot of water, then plaster of Paris won't harden in the right time and it won't just work. Now we will require our molds, which are nothing but two bowls of same shape but different size. All you've got to do is take the bigger size of the bowl and cover it with a plastic sheet as shown. And to get the right texture, all you've got to do is crumble that plastic sheet very much and then cover the inner surface of your bigger bowl with it. And ensure that it's really secure as shown. Now all you've got to do is pour the plaster of Paris into the container and ensure that you do it really fast because plaster of Paris sets really quickly, and once it sets you can't add water and regain its stickiness. It doesn't happen that way, so make sure that you do it really fast. Now simply take the smaller bowl and place it into the bigger one and press it slightly so that the plaster of Paris spreads evenly across the surface. If necessary, you can keep a few weights onto it. After 3 hours, remove the plastic sheet carefully and ensure that you don't damage the bowl. So people, that was the completed bowl. If you want, you can paint it, but I liked it that way, so I just did not paint it. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.